Hello, I am your moderator for this debate today. My name is Steven. Here are our two contestants, him and him. Let's begin with question number 1. Is human-caused global warming real? Well, I'm here to represent the overwhelming majority of scientists who have concluded that humans are a major factor in causing global warming.
And I'm here to represent the portion of scientists that do not think humans can influence the climate in any major way.
As this graph shows, the average global temperature has been generally rising for more than the past 100 years. This is my first piece of evidence.
Okay. Now take a look at this graph. You can see that it's just part of a cycle that's been going on for the past 500,000 years at least. And we have an ice age coming up too. So it's nothing to really worry about, is there?
No. That doesn't make sense. Sure, climate changes naturally, but it's obvious that this time it's mainly caused by us. Let's pull up another graphy thingy. This is the CO2 released in the atmosphere in the past 160,000 years or so. This area is the CO2 in the atmosphere during that hot period on your graph. And this is the CO2 in the atmosphere now. We have released many thousands of years worth of CO2 into the atmosphere in only 100 years. And as we all know, CO2 is a major greenhouse gas.
Okay, I guess. Let's say that humans do cause global warming and climate change. Well then, how do you expect that?
No, I am not done yet. I still have a third point. Not only is the planet warming, but soon there will be no going back. It is entirely possible that the excess CO2 and water vapor in that atmosphere will heat up the planet to a point where that cycle that you pointed out could be disrupted for a very long time.
Okay, fine, I'll admit it. Global warming's real. But it's not gonna get better, so what can we do to try to help it?
Well, we are emitting a lot of CO2, and that won't hit the planet. A carbon tax will be a good start. We can put a fee on carbon that factories and power plants release above a certain level.
How are you gonna get people to agree to this? It'd be expensive, to say the least. A lot of people have the money and time invested into oil and fossil fuels. How are you going to convince them to give it all up?
We can also push towards renewable energies.
Still, the people that are invested in oil and coal would want to keep that going, wouldn't they? Wouldn't they not want to lose their job? That's a legitimate question, and I don't have an answer to you. It's not going to be easy if we want to get this done and do it, right? All I'm going to say is global warming's a problem and we need to fix it. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, I agree with you. That wraps up the end of our first question. I think the results of this debate is conclusive. Both of you have agreed that human-caused climate change is real. It's happening now, and it's a problem. Thank you for coming, and have a wonderful night.